Hey guys, how you doing? It is Sascha Chatman here with Chatman Realty Group, and I'm here at Bowlero with my man Jeremy. And he's going to tell you guys a little bit about the event they have coming up this Saturday and all the changes that they have made here.
If you haven't heard of Bowlero, we're not new, but what we've done is taken the Brunswick Zone here in Watauga off of Roof Snow and converted it into a beautiful facility. And it's a state-of-the-art facility, and we are doing our grand opening this Saturday, March 23rd, from 11 a.m. till 2 p.m. What we're doing that day is we're offering free bowling, we're offering free arcade, we have over 30 games in our arcade, we're offering $2 hot dogs, $2 pizzas, $3 craft beers. It's a great time. Yes, sir.
Oh, wow.
It's a great time. This is a great new venue for this community. We're excited to unleash it and launch it for everyone to come out and enjoy. Welcome, everybody. This is our new arcade. Let's go check it out. We got games for everybody. The Giant Crane, Space Invaders, Sink It, Mario Kart, my personal favorite right
Is that the new Mario Kart?
That's the Mario Kart right there, yes sir.
Okay, there we go.
We got the Walking Dead game.
Walking Dead.
We got your classic ski balls. Another one of my favorites is Down the Cloud.
Now tell me about this basketball arcade right
This
here.
is awesome. Four people can play at a time on this basketball. It's the NBA basketball shoot around. So it's awesome. 4 people can play at once. Come out, compete with your friends, enjoy yourself, have fun. Got some cranes over here. Got a punching bag, Tomb Raider. Over 30 games here for you to enjoy.
That is a huge Tomb Raider.
Yeah, very popular game.
Oh, now that's cool. Oh, Spider Box. Yeah, we like that.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Spider Box punching bag.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. Hey, Jeremy, can you tell us a little bit more about what did you guys do with the lanes?
So if you look behind me right now, you see the screens behind the lanes? Those are actually projector screens. All 40 lanes have their own personal projector overlooking. So you can watch the game of your choice, the show of your choice. We want you to come out and have a good time and make this event all about you.
Cool. All right. Guys, you heard it first. This is Sascha Chatman from Chatman Realty Group. I'm not on camera. I got my man Jeremy here, and he's showing you guys the new look at Bowlero. Make sure you guys come out and here in Watauga. All right, take care.